Welcome to Beauty Exposed, girl, where we got the finest ladies in the whole wide world.
A group of beautiful and sexy women is what you'll find at Beauty Exposed Hair and Makeup Studio. The queen leading these stylists is this woman right here. Her name is Ayana Sailor.
We've been open since 2011. Our location is 5045 Memorial Drive, Stone Mountain, Georgia.
Beauty Exposed is a one-stop shop for all your needs. The stylists, they handle the hair, along with the barbers. Ayana, she handles everything else.
I went to David Presley Cosmetology School in Detroit and started out doing hair, but I didn't end up doing hair. I moved to New York and ended up getting into the makeup side of it, and I love doing makeup, loving to make people feel good and look good from the inside out.
Along with the upscale look, the stylists here are just great. I mean, everybody here, we help each other. It's a team. It's not like an individual thing. Although everybody work individually for themselves, we still work as a team, and that's what I like about it as well.
Jennifer Allison has been coming to Beauty Exposed for years. The shop is her getaway for a new look.
Marlene is my stylist. Beauty Exposed is just a place like family. It's home here. We all party together, and we look beautiful together, and we all support each other. So this is a great place to be.
There's an old saying that goes, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. At this shop, beauty is in the hands of the stylist. Tony Bird, TVBroadcasting.com.